Welcome to the Lawrence Home Show. This is your chance to learn, explore, and connect all under one roof. Whether you are a current homeowner looking to renovate or a future homeowner dreaming of your perfect space, the Lawrence Home Show offers everything you need for remodeling, landscaping, decorating, or any updates for your home. Browse ideas and products to make your home more functional, comfortable, and attractive. Discover fresh looks and layouts for both the interior and exterior that reflect your style and lifestyle. Join us at the Crown Toyota Pavilion on Saturday, February 14th from 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. and on Sunday, February 15th from 11 a.m. until 4. This is a family-friendly event. Kids admission is free, adults are $5. There's also an e-coupon on our website for $2 admission. The Lawrence Home Show, where great ideas come home.